Alright, hey everyone, it's our last day here in Penang. Only spent really 2 full days up here. Today I kind of just want to take you guys around Georgetown a little bit, maybe show you some of the street art. Penang is quite well known for its street art. Some of the nearest ones are like 20 minutes away from here, so I'll see if I can walk over there. My friends are all behind me at a Corgi Cafe right now, Corgi and Husky Cafe, and I don't know, I'm allergic to dogs, so I don't really care for it. So yeah, anyway, this is one behind me, kind of just shows like the different stalls here, like fruit stalls that they've got in Malaysia.
Georgetown Penang is a vibrant city in Malaysia that has a rich history, diverse culture, and a lot of things to offer to travelers. Here are 5 reasons why I think you should visit Georgetown Penang. The first reason is for the historic architecture. Georgetown has a rich history and is known for its well-preserved colonial architecture. The city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that includes several historic buildings, temples, and museums. The second reason is the street art. Georgetown is famous for its street art, which is scattered throughout the city. The street art includes murals and sculptures that showcase the local culture and history. You can take a walking tour or rent a bike and explore the streets and discover the hidden gems. The third reason is food. Georgetown is a food lover's paradise, and the city is renowned for its street food. You can try a wide variety of dishes from local Malay, Chinese, and Indian cuisines to international food. The city is also quite famous for its hawker centers, which offer an authentic taste of local food culture.
So just found this brand called Wow Tea. It looks really similar to Hei Cha or something, Xi Cha in China. Oh man. All I got was cheese right there. Oh shoot. There we go. Had to mix it around a little bit. It's got like a strawberry milk cheese drink. It's alright. So I used to think Ipoh had a lot of food, but now that I've come here to Penang and started walking around Georgetown a bit, this is like, it blows Ipoh out of the water in my opinion. Like there's just so much here. Georgetown actually reminds me a lot of the walking streets in mainland China. Like I've been to some walking streets in Toisan, Xiamen. They're all pretty similar to this. Only here it's not a walking street, it's like you got all these cars driving through and the traffic's pretty crazy sometimes. It's very similar to Hong Kong. Malaysia was also a British colony, so a lot of the buildings over here, like this one for example, I think anyway, it's got a lot of like British influence. For example, when you go up to Penang Hill, the place we went to, on our first day here, there's a lot of like British houses over there, like British built houses. I think a lot of the British went up there to avoid the hot Malaysian weather down below, because the weather up there is like a lot cooler than it is down here.
The fourth reason is for the shopping. Georgetown is a great place for shopping, and you can find everything from local handicrafts and souvenirs to high-end fashion brands.
You know, as I'm walking around these streets, I keep finding so many interesting things. It's really quite a unique experience walking around Penang. It's just like there's so many unique restaurants here. Like every side has got like a different type of food, different type of cuisine, different type of shop. I feel like you could spend like several days in Penang walking around Georgetown just exploring the shops around here.
The last reason to visit Georgetown is for its cultural diversity. Georgetown is a melting pot of different cultures and religions, and you can experience this diversity in various ways. You can visit Buddhist temples, Hindu temples, mosques, and Christian churches, which are all located within walking distance of each other. If you're there during the right time of the year, you can also witness the local festivals and celebrations, such as Chinese New Year and the Taipei Festival. Overall, Georgetown is a fascinating city that offers a unique blend of history, culture, food, and entertainment. It's definitely worth a visit if you're in Malaysia or Southeast Asia.
Alright, so I basically come to this area where they've got a lot of like street art, they've got a lot of activities that you can do. They've got like bike rentals, like electric bike rentals, and it's pretty cheap. It's like 20 ringgit for an hour. I kind of want to do it, but I'll see if my friends have time to come over here. They're going to stop at one more shop in the area they are. Yeah, I just asked, the shop closes in an hour, and I think my friends probably won't get here in time. Maybe we could do like, if they leave soon, maybe we could do like a quick 30-minute rental, but anyway, yeah, I'm just going to keep walking down here. I'm getting pretty close to the famous street art, so I'll show you guys that. That's one of my favorite parts of Penang. Alright, so just behind me they have one of the most famous street arts in Penang. Not sure who the artist is, but it's pretty cool. I'll show you. Alright, so the last place I'm trying to make it over to is the clan jetties. These are like each specific family, like they have the Chu family, Lee family or something. Each of these has their own pier or jetty that they all built their houses on. It's got some really nice lights out here at the entrance of the jetty. So each of these houses is like built on stilts, sort of, and it's kind of like in the water. You can kind of see it below here. Probably during like higher tides, the water comes up here. Probably just like fish from your back porch or something. So I've just walked out onto this jetty, the end of the pier here. You can see pretty low tide right now. This is one of the most incredible sunsets I have ever seen. You've got the amazing red clouds over the Butterwood side, and you've got like this Buddhist temple over here along with the Penang Bridge on that side over there. This is just like a super incredible moment for me. Like, this is one of the reasons why, you know, I love Malaysia so much. It's just because of like little things like this. You know what, I think I might just wrap up the video there. I think that moment was just like absolutely incredible for me. Like, just being able to see that sunset on this jetty. It's moments like these that, you know, I feel like I don't get these living in California or in the United States. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Please click the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.